Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this stunning Harley-Davidson XL1200X Forty-Eight. Registered on the 20th of July 2019 on a 19 plate, with only 3,096 miles, with service history, and presented in iconic vivid black. This eye-catching example benefits from Stage 1 tuning, featuring a Screamin Eagle high-flow air filter and an awesome set of 40th Anniversary Vance Hines exhausts, giving the bike an unmistakable Harley-Davidson soundtrack to match its muscular styling. The 48 is one of Harley-Davidson's most recognizable Sportster models, instantly identifiable by its chunky 16-inch balloon tires, iconic 7.9-liter peanut fuel tank and stripped-back factory bobber styling. Powered by the legendary 1202cc Evolution V-twin engine, it delivers effortless torque, a relaxed riding position and bags of character, making every ride an occasion whether you're cruising through town or heading out onto the open road. This Sportster was serviced at 3,073 miles in June 2026 and would leave us with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and a 3-month warranty for complete peace of mind. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for even greater reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, along with a range of flexible finance options to help make owning your next bike as straightforward as possible. For more information, please don't hesitate to call us on 0142 444 44 48, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk, or WhatsApp 07359837799. Please note we have a small £89 admin fee applicable to all our motorcycles. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.